Hi.
Hi.
I didn't even smack you that time. Now I did.
Ow! Why did you say?
Because you ruined the video.
I'm sorry.
Jeez.
No.
No, you're not. What do you want?
What do you mean?
What do you want?
I don't want anything.
Fine, go.
You're
so loud.
I'm
Get
sorry.
out here. We have to redo that. Okay, go. What do you want?
I don't want anything.
Fine, go. Yeah. Sisterly love.
Help me!
No. I'm sorry. Horror movie. Oh. You know what? We're gonna get.
No, we're not!
Okay, let's clean up the glass. I didn't mean to run into you.
What's this?
We broke a glass bottle. See? It's all over
We
the-
broke a Snapple glass bottle.
It's all over the floor.
Look at it! Oh my God!
Look at it. Oh, red. And look at my knee. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah!
Whoa, we're recording. Say hi. We're recording. Say hi. Look, it ran to the table and it went blam. Alright, I'm putting the camera back up here, you guys.
Stay down here.
Okay.
Mom said to settle down.
Okay, get out of my chair. You want to clean this up? Or at least help me.
Yo, we might want to get rid of the glass.
So nobody said something. I'm sorry, we're having technical difficulties.
But we're gonna leave it
Yeah,
recording.
look at the glass bottle.
It's funny.
Leslie, your mom from upstairs, we heard it break. Your mom's like, they just broke something. And your dad's like, I know. And then
That's funny, right?
we were hearing you scream because we're watching Drop Dead, Fred. Oh, turn it back. Oh, by the way, people, this is our cousin Carly. Say hi, Carly.
Hi.
You're supposed to say hi, Carly.
Hi, Carly.
Now sit in the blue chair. All right.
She slapped me on the arm, in the face, and she bruised my neck.
Scoot over. I gotta see the
What do you have to say to that?
Who did?
Bye. No!
Let's go upstairs. We have to go.
Bye.
Bye.